Yeah, well, we had a few different issues that we were trying to tackle. Number one, our existing storage target that we were using for backups was becoming full. Backup windows are becoming longer and longer. Was kind of looking for a solution that, rather than just throwing more money, buying more disk, and we are using it for backup. But I think throughout the evaluation period that we did, one of the things that sort of I realized as I got more familiar with the product is that it's not just a backup target.
Yeah.
It's a lot more than that. And if you're only using it as a backup target, you're not getting all the benefits you could be out of it. Really, you get the best benefits when you run a lot of your production workloads on it. We're primarily virtualized in the data center, and so we have most of our virtual machines are running on the unit itself. Then we can simply take snapshots instantly in the background with no adverse effects on during the backup window or anything like that, and then send them up to the cloud. I mean, security really, with encryption these days is not an issue. I mean, the data is deduped, compressed, and encrypted before it goes to the cloud. So essentially, if you don't have the encryption key, you're not going to be able to do anything with it. So that security is pretty well in the bag. I mean, if it's good enough for U.S. government top secret secrets, it's fine for MedPlast. So that wasn't really an issue. As far as performance, that hasn't been a problem. I mean, the way StorSimple arranges the working set, kind of looking at the different blocks and how often they're accessed, it can pick the right tier of storage for each block, whether it's SSD or SAS or then on the cloud. So that wasn't an issue either. As far as rewriting applications, we really didn't have to do any of that because it appears as just an iSCSI target, which is very easy to do if you're used to working with that in VMware. In fact, this was actually our first iSCSI deployment. Previously, we had been on Fiber Channel, so even being the first one, it was very simple to set up. Using the cloud storage, it's almost like a new way of thinking about your data, because you've got your primary storage, and then you can take snapshots, and then you can take cloud snapshots. So you're getting a lot of the benefits of primary storage and also the benefits of backup. It's very easy to manage, and you can kind of set it and forget it and monitor as little as or as much as you want, and it pretty much just runs. I mean, there's no more running down to the data center to pick up tapes or retrieve a tape and then bring it back for a restore or something like that.